Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today from Teriyaki Madness here, I have a orange chicken, and I haven't reviewed it in a fat sec, so here's what the very molasses-like. I like that. It's the teriyaki, but here's what the orange looks like, and
Bonnie, what are you doing?
it's like Pan Express, but like way more flavorful. Have to get this right. It's like a 9.0 and the orange chicken like a 9.1. Actually, I give the chicken like a 9.3. And let's try a little in the sauce. That tastes interesting. It's like molasses and sour at the same time. That will be my review, and eat hearty, my homies.